Hey, welcome back to KG's Garage. Today, it's going to be a quick video doing rear shocks on a 2014 Honda Odyssey. I'm just doing the rear shocks. I'm putting some of these KYB Excel-Gs in. There's only 3 bolts to put this thing in. There's two nuts here, and there's a nut on the bottom here. And it's fairly simple. Only a hard issue is getting the old shock out, but I'm going to show you how to do that and put this new one in. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, so there's 2 bolts up here. They are 14 millimeter. Take those out. Go reverse. 1, 2. Weight on it. There's a bolt on the bottom here. Let's show you that. Okay, there's a bolt on the bottom right here. Take that off. Bolt washer. I just noticed something. I did the other side already. Now we're fine. And now the hard part was trying to get this out. So all the weight of the wheel and everything is on this. So what I need to do is lower the car down and then pry it off. So let's do that. Alright. Okay, so now I'm just going to, I think those 2 nuts off, right? I'm just going to pull this forward and turn the shock so it doesn't go back into those holes. Now I'm going to have to go on the bottom and pry the bottom off. It's loose. It's just not off yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the car back up. You can see the 2 bolts were up here, and I took them off. The nuts, I mean. Now it's just hanging. What I have to do is I have to compress the shock to be able to get it off on the bottom. So since it's blown, compress is really easy. So I'm just compressing it. And now, right off. Yeah. So this should be going back up. So this one is shot. I got the new one. Let me show you what I do down here. So I need to get this on this. I need to get this eye on there, right? So I take this, stick it up in here. Alright, so it's on there, right? So what I have to do is I have to compress this one also, because it's like a bad angle. It's like a bad angle, so I have to compress it so the shock is somewhere around here, and then I can slide it right on. See, there's no way this is going on. I mean, I can hammer it, but... So let me... compress it. Okay. It's got to go here, right? So I'm going to take the shock. It needs to be compressed so I can get in there. So I'm going to compress it down. That will give me a few seconds to get the bottom in, and then I will go up to the top. So push down on this thing. I'm going to compress it as far as I can. All right, compressed. Now it's opening up, but give me enough time. There, see, it's on. And then now. Going to guide this up. Yep, should go fine. And put this washer on. I'm going to put it this way. And tighten it. And now the top one, the top two, I'm gonna have to lower it down to get weight to lift this up. And to get it over here. It's just not even, I don't know where it is. It's supposed to be going up. It is. It's coming up. There it is. Alright. See it? It's still going, but it's going to be a little short. I'm helping you pull it up. Yeah, see, it's a little short. So what I have to do is lower the car down to get it. So let me lower the car. Okay, so if you see now it's too high, that's fine. Because what I can do is I can compress this down and get the nuts on there. So just gotta compress it down. Now I might need a little persuasion. Oops. So I have get the mallet and just there. Bang that sucker on. This. One. Alright, there you go. That's how you do the rear shocks on a 2014 Honda Odyssey. Now the family's trucks won't be bouncing all over the place anymore. Before it was just, every time I hit a bump, bounce, bounce, just kept bouncing and bouncing. So now this hopefully will fix it. The next is going to be the front struts, but I'm not ready to do that yet. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Tell your friends. Have a good day. Go ahead, I'm going to put the light on too.
No!
Go ahead.
Hey, what's up, people? Make sure you like and subscribe for more KG's Garage, and make sure you hit the notification bell for all the new uploads.
Is that it?